How to use phone as webcam for PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, on your laptop, search Droid Camera on Chrome and then simply click on Droid Cam, which is Dev47 Apps official website. Scroll down, click on Windows Setup, which is below Windows Client. In here you will find Droid Cam download option. Simply download it. After it's downloaded, click on I agree and then install it. After it's installed on your phone, go to Play Store and then download Droid Cam, which is this one, Droid Cam Webcam and OBS Camera. After it's downloaded, click on OK. Give permission to webcam and microphone. After that, on your laptop, open Droid Cam, click on Add a Device. Simply select your device, and then you will find Add Selected Device option. Click on it. After you click on it, your device will be connected. As you can see what my phone camera is showing, it will show the same thing on your laptop. And in this way, you can use phone as webcam. This is how to use phone as webcam for PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.